What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and just stopping by, don't forget to give this video a nasty thumbs up before you leave it. Alright, don't be bangy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. Alright y'all, so today I am doing a nice seafood boil in a bag. I didn't bring the bag, y'all, because I want to make sure that the presentation was on point. But I did shake it up in some direct sauce, and we're gonna eat. So over here I'm sipping on some Smirnoff Ice Green Apple. It's been a minute since I had this one. So good. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and say grace and we're gonna get started. Okay. Amen. Alright y'all, let me turn this down. Turn it down. Alright, and of course, yes, I am in Eatin' Pretty Studios live. Okay. So I'm gonna start with a crawfish, y'all. Got some crawfish. I know someone's gonna ask. My seafood come from IGA rolls. Y'all know that. At this point, I feel like they need to sponsor your girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's good. Oh yes, great flavor, y'all. But how y'all doing today? What's up? Lobster tail. What's going on? Happy Monday. It's the start of something new, something fresh. I hope y'all getting ready to celebrate the new month that's ahead. I know you lying. It's good, but I think I cooked it a little too much, y'all. It's sticking to the shell. It's good though. I don't know. Oh, it's good. But yes, y'all, I hope y'all had a fantastic weekend. I know I did. I had a pretty busy weekend, y'all. Getting stuff ready for this Black Friday. Now, I ain't talking about regular Black Friday, y'all. I'm talking about, I hear y'all in the back, BL4CK Friday, okay? That's December 4th. Good. By the way, look, so I was watching TV earlier. I was watching TV. I think I was watching the Parkers while my sister was in her recording her video. And on the episode, it was when somebody came to Nikki's and Kim's house claiming that the girl was Nikki's real daughter. Well, apparently it was a switch at birth, something like that. Anyway, towards the end of the episode, Nikki was just saying how her and Kim went to the fair. Yes. I should have did 2 of those. Anyway, Nikki and Kim went to the fat girl. And Nikki turned around, Kim was gone. she thought that she had lost her. Well, that made me think because I was told that I got lost at a carnival. I'm like, it wasn't a circus because I want to be like, oh, you're a circus freak. I'm not a circus freak. But nah, it did kind of make me sad because, like I said, I did get lost. And another family, they did find me, apparently. But they was looking for my people. And just imagine like, that suck game was on point. No, anyway. I'm like, would I have the same life? I know this life was destiny, child, but I don't know. I don't know what she expect. But not for real. The family did find me. And it just was a coincidence. I think they was actually walking towards like the booth where they have like the intercom. I don't know if y'all have that in y'all town, but like at the fair or a carnival, they have people on like the little intercom around the premises. So yeah, that's where they was heading. And my friend was talking. Now, you know, I used to be a crybaby. I was a real bad crybaby, so I'm so sure y'all was just screaming, calling out looking for my mama. I just would be so bad. And I'm not here for it. But what if it was a rich family? No, let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my seafood. Everything just seems so soft. But I don't taste bad. It's just great. But y'all, like, I can tell the way you killing it. I'm hungry, y'all. This is my first meal today. I think, what did I have today? I think all I had today was a cookie. I want some fried chicken after this. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I know it looked like a lot of food, but honey, Oh, I didn't even tell y'all what I had. Shit, I figured it out by now. But I have snow crab, Disney crab, lobster, corn, sausage, potato, and egg. Yeah, I seen a comment. Somebody was like, do your food really be good for you to be closing your eyes and say, all the time you bite it? And zoo. And do. I have my pie taste exactly how I want it. So when I eat my food, exactly how I want it. That's why I said, well, you don't taste your food? Like when you do your seafood or when you cook, you don't taste your food? Like, you gotta taste it. And it's all good. Hopefully. I hope it be good. Mine do. That's my testimony. I can't speak on yours. Ooh. But anyway, I hope everybody's staying well, staying safe. And if anybody missed my if anybody missed my drip announcement from my last video, I will be re-releasing the drip sauce, the original. Okay? Come on now. I will be dropping the original again on December 4th. And for every 3 purchases of that sauce, will receive a free lemon drip sauce, which will be released. Excuse me. Which will be released in 2021, January 2021. So that's an exclusive deal. Okay? It's exclusive. But you gotta order 3. And you will get a free one with your order. So you'll have a total of 4 sauces. And you will be saving money on your sauce because for every order, I reduce the price for BL4CK Friday. Oh, that's good. It's a crawfish for me. Y'all know I like to let my crawfish sit in that water. Sharon! Yeah, my sister out there decorating her Christmas tree. I think she's spraying it right now. I won't give too much of what she's doing because I'm sure it's going to be on the vlog. I just thought about y'all. I know exactly why I'm having a hard time opening these crab legs. Because I'm opening them wrong. I'll save you for later. This is how you do it. I don't know. Oh, I forgot I had shrimp. Yeah, I got shrimp too. Hold on. I ain't eating these crabs right. I think I cooked them a little too long. You know what, y'all? In my mouth. It don't matter how I get to them as long as I get to them. And that's on periodic table, but what the? Anyway, y'all pray for me. I'm trying to do this vlogmas with mukbangs, child. 25 days of mukbangs, bite to bite. Y'all gonna get 1 crab a video, okay? Excuse me. But I guess I don't have to eat crab on every video. Even though that's what y'all want to see, child. No shade, but for all the people that don't watch my videos when I don't post seafood, I want to know. I promise you I won't block you. No. I promise I won't block you. I want to know. When y'all see the notification pop up on y'all phone, or on the people that you subscribe to, you'll be like, what he eating? And seafood keeps scrolling. Like, is that what y'all do to me? Me? Is that what y'all really do? Like, I really want to know. Because some of the videos, even when it's not seafood, the food still be lit, the conversation be lit. It's just lit, like everything be lit. For the meat police, there's nothing in there. You see? Nothing in there. But yeah. What's that about? Cause I like other stuff than seafood, and I really love fried chicken now. Honestly, I'm doing this mug eating fried chicken every day. I love me some fried chicken. And a lot of people think seafood is my favorite food. I like seafood. Okay, I love seafood. I do, but I'm in love with fried chicken. Oh! You know, I know I didn't just slop on this thing on corn on the cob. Y'all know what he's, you know what, we ain't going there. I really slopped on this corn on the cob. There's really no coming back from that. I'm in too deep. I really just slopped on the knob like corn on the cob. You know what? This is too much. I'm getting full, y'all. I mean, one more leg. This was a lot of food here. I might be eating the rest on. Come tomorrow for the vlog mug. The half-bitten sausage, the half-bitten potato, almost gone crab. Oh yeah, honey. All I gotta do is put that together real cute, and they be like, "What's gonna pop in?" Y'all wouldn't know a thing, child. Y'all know it's gonna be gone. Excuse me. I'm full. I'm full, y'all. Woo. Yo, this was really good. This is so good. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a nasty thumbs up before you leave. And don't be mangy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNT gang. Alright, y'all, I'm out, yes indeed, and don't forget to stay poppin' but religiously. I will see y'all next time. Bye.